So in doing this, we try to regroup the letters on one side of the equation. The clue I'm going to give you is that try to group the letters on the side where we have more of them. So it could be on the right, it could be on the left, it doesn't matter. So here we check. There are 5y on the right and 2y on the left. So we push everything on the right because you have more of the y on the right. We do the same thing by using the reverse method or balancing method. So to get rid of 2y here is to minus 2y from both sides. Remember, the rule is to balance it. So whatever you do to one side is the same. So we don't want the 2y here. So we minus 2y from both sides. And when that happens, this becomes 0 plus 16. And we have 5y minus 2y to work out, then minus 5. So we have only 16 on the left hand side. We're going to have 3y minus 5. Because 5y minus 2y is 3y. Now it becomes a standard equation. Don't get worried because the 3y minus 5 is on the right hand side. You can choose to put this all here and 16 all there if that's what you so want. But you can still solve it. Get rid of the minus 5. And how do you get rid of minus 5? Add 5 to both sides. So you have 21 equals 3y. 3 is multiplying y. So to get rid of multiply by 3, divide both sides by 3. And if you cross out, because 3 divided by 3 is 1, so y is equal to 21 over 3, which gives you 7. So y is equal to 7. Let's look at the next example. Here, there are 3 lots of a on the left, and we have a negative 1a. So there are more on the left than the right. So we're going to push all the a's on the left. We do that by reversing it. Minus 1a. To reverse that is to add a to both sides. So this will be crossed out now. So we have 3a plus a is 4a, then plus 9 equals to 8. Remember, this is already gone. So 2a, sorry. So you have 4a plus 9 equals 8. We need to get rid of plus 9. And to get rid of plus 9 is to minus 9 from both sides. So you're going to have 4a plus 9 equals 8. We're going to take 9 from both sides. So you have 4a is equal to negative 1. 4 is multiplying a, so to get rid of times by 4, we divide through by 4. Dividing both sides by 4, you're going to have 4a over, sorry, apologies for the typo. So you're going to have 4a divided by 4 equals negative 1 over 4. And 4 divided by 4 is 1, so we cross that out. And a is equal to negative 1 over 4, which is a quarter, negative quarter. So a is equal to negative 1/4. Now the last one on both sides. Here we have brackets involved. And once we have brackets involved, first thing is to expand the bracket. So we're going to expand the bracket. So 3 times 2 is 6 minus 3 times a is 3a. Then we expand the bracket for 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times positive 3a is positive 15a. So expanding the bracket set us up like all that we've done for these two examples. Now you check. There are 15 lots of a and there's negative 3a. So there's more on the left hand side. So we need to get rid of negative 3a. To get rid of negative 3a, we add negative 3a to both sides. So that this becomes 0 and we have only 6 on the left hand side. You have 6 equals to 20 plus 15 plus 3a is what? 18a. Now we need to get rid of positive 20 by minus and not subtracting 20 from both sides. You've got to be very careful with the negative numbers. 6 minus 20 is negative 14. And it's equal to 18a because 20 minus 20 is 0. We want to get rid of the 18 that is multiplying a. So we divide both sides by 18. And now 18 divided by 18 is 1, so we cross that off. And a is equal to negative 14 over 18, which could be simplified as negative 7 over 9. So that brings us to solving equation with unknown on both sides. Okay, next we'll be looking at solving harder equations involving fractions.